Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how many interesting things there are in nature outside that we have never discovered? Please join me on the journey to discover some of those interesting things. Let's start now. This is a once-in-a-lifetime moment of 3 humpback whales captured by a tourist at Briar Island, Canada.
Pectoral parade!
Looks like after dancing, they switched to a different workout. A terrifying moment during a landslide in Yunnan, China nearly buried a tanker driver on July 28, 2025. A massive boulder suddenly collapsed onto a mountain road in Uttarakhand, India, on August 7, 2025. Severe flash floods repeatedly swept through wildfire-burned areas in Ruidoso, New Mexico in July 2025, showing just how important forest protection really is.
Oh my god. Oh.
Have you ever seen a dust devil swallow another dust devil? Looks like Mother Nature is trying to clean itself up. genus girdle is a comb jelly from the family Cestidae. It is the only known species in the genus Cestum and also the largest known catenaphore. A gift from nature for visitors in Mossel Bay, South Africa every summer. Even though killer whales do not attack humans in the wild, their natural curiosity toward boats can still turn into a real danger. Bride's whale, a symbol of luck for fishermen across Southeast Asia. Gaster flagging is a fascinating behavior in ants used to spread pheromones as a warning signal, and because they are highly sensitive to electric fields, power lines can sometimes be seen as a threat. Fall streak hole appeared over Beijing on June 30th, 2025. Fogbow and a broken specter, a rare combination of two extremely uncommon phenomena. Seems like they are performing a ritual to open a gateway underground. Looks like that lollipop is not very appealing. The black-collared jay and its courtship dance. A magical childhood scene. How long has it been since you last saw a firefly? A normal day at the honeybee farms. In late July 2025, massive swarms of locusts swept through several southern provinces of Ukraine, especially Zaporizhia and Kherson, devastating farmlands with overwhelming density.
Ой, они огромные, я прям стою под ними.
Farmers are now in a race against time to contain what could become a full-blown biological disaster. The scene was both impressive and somewhat frightening when millions of locusts invaded the city of Zaporizhia. They even seem to gather and hang out along riverbanks like they are on vacation.
Бля, они плывут оттуда, от того дерева все наступают. Молодая людей. Это твари добрались до лобковых ям и наступают их.
Letting silkworms roam freely out in nature like this does not seem like a good idea.
I thought I gave them. But I không mình tự tạo quán phải lấy bạc lấy cái lần chỉ xíu vào lấy cái lần
Albino deer are extremely rare in the wild. They have white fur, pink eyes, and usually face survival challenges because they are easy to spot and often have vision problems.
Look at
This fossil might make you feel like human society is heading back to the prehistoric era. This is Muscovite mica, a natural mineral known for being easily split into thin, nearly transparent layers. This is how buildings in Shanxi province, China, help reduce summer temperatures for inner courtyards. A massive landslide created a huge wave that nearly swept away 2 tent builders at a mining site in Myanmar on July 28, 2025. Sudden landslide at a mountain in Dhaulagiri, Nepal on July 8.
वो बर्बाद बनाया ये बांसबोर्ड की बस्ती खत्म बनाया करे ओ अझै
Heavy rain can turn many mountain roads into a survival challenge for drivers passing through. Heavy rain and flash floods continued to sweep through areas of Sichuan province in the final days of July 2025.
小心。
Massive flooding swept through many areas in Gilgit, Pakistan during the last days of July 2025, causing severe infrastructure damage. Thankfully, no casualties have been reported. Pretty sure the rest of the video was not uploaded because it involved inappropriate language. Holding a lightning-attracting rod while fishing is definitely not a good idea. A rain bomb phenomenon with a strangely shaped cloud appeared in Tibet on July 18, 2025. This is probably the clearest footage showing how a microburst can cause destruction similar to a tornado. Another more impressive view of the Laotobi volcanic eruption on June 17. Would you imagine a lava flow streaming straight up into the sky? The intense spectacle of Roaring Mountain in Yellowstone National Park, named for the sound of the steam coming from the numerous fumarills in the mountain's slope. A stunning band of iridescent clouds appeared in Zhenjiang on July 17, 2025. Is that a hidden treasure being buried under the sea? The sky over Jiangsu Province, China, suddenly turned bright red at sunset on June 27th. Do you think this is a strange phenomenon? Another sun halo appeared over An Giang, Vietnam on July 3. Marine cockroaches, a familiar sight to the coastal residents of Hongmaogong, Taiwan. You may already know, house mice are smart enough to always observe your behavior and adapt to life indoors. This is a leptocephalus, the larval stage of turbans. They have a flat, elongated, jelly-like, transparent body and are commonly found in tropical and subtropical oceans. These tiny green spheres with cute little red eyes are actually green stink bug eggs. The climbing perch, a delicious specialty in the countryside of Southeast Asia. They have the habit of walking on land, using their gills whenever it rains to find new water. Terrifying sight when two cloud shells of Typhoon Wipath slowly moved into land in Asian countries on July 19, 2025. This will be a tense battle for those sailors. Lenticular clouds appeared over the sky of Jiangsu City on July 22, 2025, an extremely rare event, as these clouds usually only form above mountaintops or high hills. The unique shape of a lenticular cloud appeared over Mount Fuji, Japan, on July 17.
Oh, hello, puppy.
Strange fog appeared on El Guwaifat Road, United Arab Emirates, on June 28.
Pero es impresionante esto. Estamos yendo pero para la tormenta, pero mal. Mirá ahí cómo...
The streets of Jawa Timur, Indonesia were blanketed in white foam on July 20, 2025, with a cause believed to be wastewater containing detergent or chemicals discharged into the drainage system.
Come through here.
A seafoam storm blanketed Moana Beach, Australia, on July 22, 2025.
Unbelievable. Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Looks like that shark knows there is more meat on the boat. Unlike gators and snakes, there are some visitors in Florida that locals are always glad to see.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Looks like their family is considering whether to report this thief to the police.
Oh my god.
What? What?
Holy.
A breathtaking moment in the open ocean as a group of humpback whales hunt using the bubble net feeding technique, while hundreds of seagulls seize the chaos to snatch a meal for themselves.
Did he finally get them off?
He finally let go of that tiny fish. A perfect coincidence, those two spiders somehow found the best spot in the entire forest.
Yo, emptying the kiddie pool, and this is like absolutely perfect. Look at that. That's moving water.
On July 14, 2025, a gas pipeline burst during roadwork in Blumenau, Brazil, causing a loud explosion and forcing nearby areas to close temporarily for safety. How many minutes late do you think you would be to work if you had to wait for this train at the crossing?
这是天空出现异象了吗？一个四四方方的井盖一样。
Strange lights appeared in the sky over Hubei on June 29. A terrifying scene as the storm hit the city of Split, Croatia on July 8, 2025.
Oh my god.
3 moons appeared in the sky over California on July 4.
I cannot believe I'm getting this on video.
Buy one, get one free deal from nature. This video might make you run out and check your car right away. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and don't hesitate to give us your feedback in the comment section so we can improve the content. Bye, and see you in the next videos.